Hello everybody. Today I will discuss about the chapter acid, base and salt. What is this substance? When we see some food products, first what things comes into our mind? Its taste. It might be salty, it might be sweet, it might be sour or bitter and so on. So years back when scientists increases, they tried to classify the food products according to their taste. They found that the substance which have sour in taste have same chemical properties. So they named them acid means sour, which is a Latin word. They saw some substance which have bitter in taste and also this type of substance are slippery. They name this type of substance base, and when acid react with base, the substance formed is known as salt. Today I will discuss only about acid. So what is acid? Acids are defined as compounds which contain one or more hydrogen atoms and when dissolved in water produce hydronium ion H2O+, the only positively charged ion. See, when HCl dissolved in water, first H plus Cl minus ions are formed. But this H plus ion cannot exist independently. Therefore, it combines with a water molecule to form hydronium ion H3O+. This H plus H2O. H2O+, the only positively charged ion, and the acidic property of an acid are actually the hydronium ion present in it. The properties of hydronium ion present in it. Now, classification of acid. First one, depending on their sources. There are two types of acid. Organic acid, which obtained from plants and animals, and inorganic acid, which obtained from minerals acid. Organic acid are weak acid. They contain ions and molecules. For example, CH3COOH, acetic acid, which obtained from vinegar. HCOOH, formic acid, which obtained from sting of an ant. These are weak acid. And inorganic acid, which are obtained from minerals. These are strong acid. They contains only ions. For example, HCl, HNO3, H2SO4. And the only mineral acid which is weak is H2CO3, carbonic acid. Now second, depending on their basicity. What is basicity? Basicity means the number of ionizable H plus ion one molecule of an acid contains is known as basicity. See, HCl, number of ionizable hydronium ion is 1. So it is considered as monobasic acid. HNO3, number of ionizable hydronium H plus ion 1. So it is also considered as monobasic acid. H2SO4, number of ionizable H plus ion is 2. So it is considered as dibasic acid. H3PO4, number of ionizable H plus ion is 3. So it is considered as tribasic acid. Now see these three. CH3COOH, HCOOH and H3PO3. See, number of hydrogen atom 4. But number of ionizable H plus ion 1. So it is considered as monobasic acid. HCOOH, number of hydrogen atom 2. But number of ionizable H plus ion 1. So it is also considered as monobasic acid. Now H3PO3, same as number of hydrogen atom 3, but number of ionizable H plus ion 2. So it is considered as dibasic acid. Why these are monobasic and dibasic? see their structure. See, H3PO4 is considered as tribasic acid, but H3PO3 is considered as dibasic acid due to their structure. See the structure? The only hydrogen atom which is attached to oxygen can liberate, as oxygen is electronegative. So it attracts electron, and hydrogen loses this electron and from H plus ion. In this case, 3 hydrogen atom attached to oxygen atom. So number of H plus ion 3, and in case of H3PO3, 2 hydrogen atom attached with oxygen. So number of H plus ion is 2. So it is considered as dibasic acid. Now in case of CH3COOH, see, number of hydrogen atom which attached with oxygen is 1. So number of H plus ion, ionizable hydrogen ion, is 1. So it is considered as monobasic acid. Same as in formic acid, HCOOH, number of hydrogen atom which attached with oxygen is 1. So number of H plus ion is 1. So it is also considered as monobasic acid. Now I will discuss about preparation of acid. First, when nonmetal directly added with hydrogen, then acid is formed. What is direct combination? A chemical reaction in which one substance added with other substance and form a new substance. This is known as direct combination. So, non-metal when directly added with hydrogen gas, then acid is formed. For example, chlorine gas when react with hydrogen gas, then HCl is formed. Bromine when added with hydrogen, then 2HBr is formed. When hydrogen added with sulfur, then hydrogen sulfide is formed. Next, when non-metal oxide added with hydrogen, then acid is formed. Added with water, then acid is formed. For example, CO2 plus H2O, then H2CO3 is formed. This means when carbon dioxide added with water, then carbonic acid is formed. SO2 plus H2O, H2SO3. When sulfur dioxide added with water, then sulfurous acid is formed. SO3 plus H2O, H2SO3. When sulfur trioxide added with water, then H2SO4. This means sulfuric acid is formed. Now, when NO2 react with added, then HNO3 plus HNO2 is formed. In this case, 2 type of acid is formed, as this is known as mixed anhydride, and these are known as acid anhydride. Next, by oxidation of non-metal. HNO3 is a strong oxidizing agent. So, when sulfur react with HNO3, nitric acid, then H2SO4 plus NO2 plus H2 is formed. Phosphorus when react with nitric acid, then H3PO4 plus NO2 plus H2 is formed. Next, from non-volatile acid to from volatile acid. H2SO4 is non-volatile acid and HCl and HNO3 is volatile acid. Volatile means they escape from as a vapor, and H2SO4 is non-volatile. NaCl plus H2SO4, HCl plus NaHSO4 is formed. NaNO3 plus H2SO4, HNO3 plus NaHSO4 is formed. In these two reactions, see, the basicity of H2SO4 is 1 and the temperature is below 200 degrees centigrade. Next, physical properties of an acid. Acids are All mineral acids are corrosive in nature, means they cause painful burns on skin. And when indicator used? First, when litmus solution used, they change the color. Blue color changes to red. When phenolphthalein, it is also an indicator, is used, then colorless to colorless solution, same as in colorless. Methyl orange, orange to pink. And when pH scale is used, then the scale is measured as below 7. This means for acid, pH scale is below 7. Now I will discuss about chemical properties of acid. First, when metal react with dilute acid, then hydrogen gas is liberated and salt is formed. In this case, we follow activity series of metal. Means the metal which placed above hydrogen can display hydrogen. The metal which placed below hydrogen cannot display it. This means when magnesium react with hydrogen chloride, then this is hydrochloric acid, MgCl2, magnesium chloride and hydrogen gas is formed. When zinc react with dilute H2SO4, zinc sulfate and hydrogen gas is formed. But in this case, nitric acid is not used, as nitric acid is strong oxidizing agent. So, it converts any liberated hydrogen into water. But there are two metals which react with nitric acid. These are magnesium and manganese. But they react with very dilute nitric acid, just 1%. Next, metal carbonate when react with acid, then carbon dioxide, water and salt is formed. Magnesium carbonate when react with sulfuric acid, CO2 plus H2O plus MgSO4, magnesium sulfate is formed. Same as when zinc carbonate react with HCl, carbon dioxide gas is liberated, water and ZnCl2 is formed. In this case, nitric acid is used. FeCO3 plus HNO3, CO2 plus H2O plus FeNO3 whole 2. And the gas liberated, how we say this gas is carbon dioxide gas? Because it changed lime water milky. So we can say that carbon dioxide gas is liberated. Now number 3, metal sulfide when react with acid, SO2 plus H2O plus salt is formed. This is salt, Na2SO3 when react with HCl, SO2 plus H2O plus NaCl is formed. Another example, ZnSO3 when react with H2SO4, SO2 plus H2O plus ZnSO4 is formed. SO2 also change lime water milky. So there is a confusion, there may be confusion, SO2 and CO2. But CO2 convert lime water milky, but there is no effect on dichromate and permanganate. But in case of SO2, it changed dichromate K2Cr2O7 orange to green and permanganate KMnO4 in pink to colorless. Next, metal sulfide when react with acid, H2S and salt is formed. ZnS plus HCl, H2S plus ZnCl2 is formed. Another example, ferrous sulfide when react with hydrogen chloride gas, then H2S plus FeCl2 is formed. And the H2S gas, the smell of H2S gas is rotten egg. Next, number 5, when acid react with base, then salt and water is formed. This is known as neutralization reaction. HCl plus NaOH, NaCl plus H2O is formed. Another example, H2SO4 plus MgO. H2O plus MgSO4. These are neutralization reaction as H2O is from salt and water is from. So this is all about the acid. Next class, in next video, I will discuss about salt. Thank you.